I mean, women have been caretakers. Their roles, particularly, are to help everyone else, right? And so to stop and ask for help for ourselves feels like like a sign of weakness or dependence on other people. And it just makes you cringe thinking, oh, I don't want people to feel like I can't do things on my own. And so that can be a struggle. And another thing that can be a struggle is that a lot of us suffer from perfectionism. Feeling the need to meet high standards in every aspect of our lives. And so for me, this has been a big one because when I rely on other people, I feel like sometimes they don't help me or support me in the way that I truly need. And so I feel as if it's better to just do it on my own. And then when you take everything on your own, then you get burnt out. You can get really stressed out, overwhelmed. And by the way, we can't do everything perfectly. Shocker, right? You all know this, as well as the fact that we are not, um, designed to be everything. So, as much as we want to be, it really is important to create a positive support system for ourselves, just for our mental health and our well being. Because what can happen is without that support, eventually you start to feel like you're stranded out on your own on an island and you're overwhelmed. And that's when things start to unravel. And so a lot of us may even have some support in our lives. However, sometimes that support isn't always as positive as we would like. I remember when I wanted to be a makeup artist and my dad used to say you need to get a real job. He is supportive or was supportive. My dad's passed away since, but he was very supportive of me, but his intentions for what he wanted for me were out of his own belief systems and his own fear of wanting to keep me safe and protected.